है दिल है मुश्किल जीना यहाँ जरा हटके जरा बचके ये है बॉम्बे मेरी जान.
Hi everyone and thanks for tuning in. Welcome to Mumbai, the maximum city. In this video, we are going to share some drool-worthy food adventures while we were here for a few days in December of 2019. So keep watching and do subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for more videos. Let's talk about the humble, unpretentious spot offering South Indian food called Cafe Madras. We got here for brunch at around 12 p.m. and as we hadn't had anything since morning, we practically ordered half the menu. The portion sizes being small gives you the opportunity to try more items of the menu.
Cafe Madras. This place is really famous for South Indian food. They are one of the best South Indian restaurant in Mumbai, and we have been here a couple of times. So this time also we came here all the way from home to here to enjoy South Indian food.
So how was the food?
So we had planned to come to Madras Cafe, so we had very light breakfast. So we were really very hungry and we ordered quite a few things. We had masala dosa, idli and vada, and then upma podi, and then dahi vada and tomato rice, and we topped it with coffee, that is filter coffee, and each dish was better than the previous one. We enjoyed ourselves thoroughly.
Everything was too delicious. Everything was fantastic.
Very tasty.
If you don't indulge in some street food in Mumbai, your visit would be incomplete. So let's talk about some street food experiences that we absolutely loved in the city.
Ghatkopar and this is one of the street food places in Mumbai, so we are trying this out today.
Yeah, so we went to the very famous dosa wala, had paneer dosa and had bhaji dosa and all kinds of different dosas, and masala thumbs up, which is really popular and one of my favorites. Then we had tandoori momos that were also great, and then we are going to continue the food tour and really enjoy the experience.
for the past 1 hour.
What was your favorite?
I like the garlic bread best. Of course, that is not a Bombay specialty, but cheese is my favorite. I like that very much. And another thing was that Bombay sandwich. That was really good.
And what about dessert?
Dessert में तो कुल्फी खा के मजा आ गया. It's not वो कुल्फी.
A great spot for some midnight snacking is Bachelors, located at Marine Drive. If you drive up to the place, you will be ushered to a parking spot next to it. And the best part is, you can order from your car and the food will be served to you right there. For some relaxed vibes overlooking the Arabian Sea, we decided to stop by at the Bayview Cafe. It turned out to be a great spot to unwind and chill for a bit. We didn't really have a proper meal here, so we can't talk about that. But we did order some evening snacks and drinks, which turned out to be very good and pretty affordable for the setting.
We are here at Juhu Beach and we're just trying some awesome food here. You get a lot of good street food here like pav bhaji, pani puri, sev puri, dahi bhalla, and then you get dosa, idli. So the food is fantastic, and my favorite was even the kala kata.
Yeah, we tried like a lot of stuff. Everything was made, and we are finishing off with some chai.
Saving the best for the last, let's talk about the Bombay Canteen located at Kamala Mills in Lower Parel. This hip restaurant and bar was a delight to visit, and the food was absolutely amazing. Again, the portion sizes are small, which means you get to try out a lot more items of the menu. However, the prices are a bit on the higher side, but the food is worth it.
It was really great, the food was awesome, the starters were really amazing, and we especially liked the desserts and starters. That was awesome.
We had some amazing salad made of jowar and millet. It was really good, and I'm going to try it at home, but of course it will not come out so well. But then, in dessert we had black carrot Swiss roll, which was really amazing, and you can't imagine that halwa, gajar ka halwa can taste so good.
And that's all we have for now from Mumbai. Thanks for watching guys, and stay tuned for another food vlog from India in an upcoming video.
If you like this video,
Then like, share and subscribe. And see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care and keep traveling.
जरा हट के जरा बच के ये है बम्बे मेरी जान